video, let us see what is known as Lorentz force. If a charged particle is moving in a magnetic field, it will experience a force. That force is what's known as Lorentz force, the force experienced by a charged particle in a magnetic field. That force is given by this relation, F vector is equal to Q V vector cross B vector. Now you know the cross product. A vector cross B vector is AB sine theta n cap, where n cap is unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. If this is A vector, the B vector A cross B is directed upwards. So this n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both V and B. We can write the magnitude of the force, then n cap is not needed. Magnitude of the force is F is equal to QVB sine theta. From this relation it is clear, force experienced by the charged particle in a magnetic field is directly proportional to the charge of the particle, velocity of the particle, magnetic field directly proportional to the magnetic field, then directly proportional to the sine of the angle between velocity and field. So here a positive charge is moving along this direction. So this is the direction of the velocity. Then there is a magnetic field. Theta is the angle between velocity and field. Then force experienced by the charged particle is given by this relation. Its direction is given by this rule. You try to push V to B with your right hand, then thumb is in the upward direction. So this is the direction of the force, V cross B, V cross B. This is the direction of the force experienced by positive charge. If it is negative charge, just opposite, same velocity, but negative charge will experience a force opposite. Positive charge upwards, negative charge downwards. Now here x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Suppose there is a magnetic field along the z-axis. And let us see two special cases. If charged particle is moving parallel to the magnetic field is along the z-axis. Suppose the charged particle is also moving along the z-axis, then theta will be 0. When theta is 0, sine 0 is 0, so force will become 0. That means if charged particle is moving parallel to the magnetic field, it will experience 0 force, no force. It will not experience any force if it is parallel to the magnetic field. Now you consider the charged particle moving along the y-axis. Then angle between velocity and field 90 degree. Sine 90 is 1. So force will become QVB. So force experienced will be maximum when charged particle is moving perpendicular to the field. Now when positive charge is moving that side, it will experience a force outward. So you try to push V to B with your right hand, then see thumb is directed outward. So it will experience a force outward. If it is negative charge, it will experience a force into the board, directed into the board. If positive charge is moving that side, force is directed outward. Suppose a positive charge is moving this side, then force will be directed into the board. Then force experienced by negative charge will be opposite to that experienced by positive charge.